Okay, this is Casa Zeni. I'm making some soup. It's actually called Cavolo Nero or Tuscan kale. Cavolo Nero, which means black kale. And it had a bug on it, which means it's organic. I'm just going to show you. Turn this off. I'm missing my usual seasoning. We might have something here. I just wanted to show you how I can go up the road. Hopefully I've got my key in my pocket. No, I haven't, so I'll leave the door open. Oh, it's on the outside, silly me. Hello, hi. Hello. Are you from Sydney?
My friends are, yeah.
Ah, yeah.
I mean, I grew up in Sydney, but I live in London.
Oh, no. Okay, so some more Australians staying here in Cortona. And I'm just taking the veggie scraps from the soup up the hill, where everyone from all the surrounding houses comes. I even saw someone put their dog poo in there. So this is the organic waste, and these are everywhere in the town. Put them in there. So they use cornstarch bags. A lot in Italy. Much more than plastic. Certainly far more organised and advanced here than Australia, which is fantastic. It's not that hard, it just takes willpower. Which our governments have not had. Very backward in Australia in many ways. Oh, it's huge. 3 levels up there. Wow, and this is the ground floor that I'm staying in. I've got my key.